guys, it's Dee here. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video, as you can see by the title below, is going to be on this look over here. It is a bright, bold red lip paired with some simple eyes and a winged liner. I've kept it quite simple I've been seeing this look everywhere and I thought I would give it a go. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Bye! Just a little bit of an FYI. I'm doing a heatless hairstyle video as well, which is probably going to go up either the week after this video or the week before this video. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned because that'll be up as well. I've only ever worn very dark or maroon red lipstick. I've never ever gone with bright red lips just because I've never felt like comfortable enough to wear it, and I just feel like it's very extreme, and yeah, I just don't think I can pull it off, but we're gonna give it a go. So let's just get started. We're gonna start off with the eyes. I'm gonna take my gold palette. I'm gonna take this shade over here. I'm just taking this fluffy brush over here. Again, it's super pigmented, so be careful. So I'm gonna place this into the crease. And like I always say, windshield wiper motions into the crease and then round it off on the edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build it up. So I'm going to do that again. And I keep going until I'm happy with it. Alright, so now that I've done the eye, I'm just going to do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so just before we move ahead, I do want to just say that I've already gone ahead and done my foundation. I've set my face in place, done my bronzing and highlighting, which has turned out bomb today. And then I've gone ahead and done my eyebrows and then put on a lip balm just to keep my lips hydrated throughout the video. But yeah, I just wanted to do that beforehand just so that we don't have too much waste of time going on right now. But yeah, I really wanted to focus this makeup video on the actual eye makeup as well as the lips, just because I feel like that's the main purpose of my video today. Alright, so now that I've gone ahead and done that in the crease, I'm going to be taking my Mixology palette from Sephora. And I'm just going to take this shade over here, which is kind of like a silvery gold. And I'm just placing it onto the center of my eye, or eyelid. And I'm bringing it slightly up to the crease color that we just put on. And then I'm bringing it to the inner corner. Then basically whatever excess I have, I'm just moving it down to the outer corner, but making sure that my crease color is the most like prominent on that side, just because I still want to have that smoky-ish effect. So I'm just going to take my fluffy brush again with no product on it, and I'm just going to blend out the crease color a little bit, just in the crease and then as well as in the outer V, just to make it a little bit smoky and have that gradient effect going on. I'm going to be taking my Rimmel Big Eyes liner and I'm just going to tight line my upper lash line. Alright, so to move on, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Eye Studio liner, which I think you guys have seen in my previous video. But I'm now going to take an angled brush like this and I'm going to try and create a winged liner and give that cat eye effect. So let's just try that out. So to make it slightly easy on myself, I'm just going to line the lash line first. I'm going to zoom you guys in quite a bit because I kind of want to see. I'm just going to basically where I've kind of ended my eyeshadow is where I want to keep it. Do that, I think. And then do that. Yep, that's as good as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna try and balance this out on the other eye like I've said before, and yeah, I'll be back with the finished eye makeup. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the lips. I kind of like the look as it is right now, you guys. I don't want to ruin it because I'm very scared with the red lipstick, but let's just try it out. Basically, I'm going to use a combination of these products here. So I'm going to use the lip liner to line my lips and then the red lip stain to color my lips. Alright, here it goes. So I'm going to line my lips with the lip pencil, and this is in the shade. Okay, so it doesn't actually have a shade, but it's the red one for sure. So I'm just going to line it out. So now that I've lined my lips, I'm going to go in with the lip paint and fill the rest of my lips in. So basically the applicator, oh, that's gone Mandy. So basically the applicator looks like so. It's more of an orangey red. Alright you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. The lip is very bold for me, but you know, I'm just gonna deal with it. I'm gonna try and get used to some very bold looks. But I do like the eye makeup. It's very simple, it's very easy to create, so I absolutely love that. This hairstyle really goes with the look. But yeah, if you like this video, please hit that like button, comment down below or message me on Instagram about how you felt about this look, or if there's anything you'd like to know more about. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with credit, of course, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! So yeah, that probably didn't really make sense. It actually didn't, but I'm just gonna go with it. So I'm kind of just, oh, didn't mean to use that finger. oh, okay, not that way. Ow. But yeah, this is the finished look. Oh, no. What? Are you serious? Like videos. Oh. I'm having a lot of camera difficulties right now. Like, I'm really trying very hard to make this work,